this video, I will show you how to create employee benefit survey. First, you need to click Add-on, School Fee Form, and Load Form Template. You can search employee benefit survey like this, and then after you found the template, click Load Selected Template. You can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings. Just refresh the page, and you need to click School Fee Form and Get Link. After that, click Continue and choose your account, and click Advanced and go to School Fee Form and just click Allow here. You will get the link like this. Just copy it and paste it into your search engine. So now the form is ready to use. You can also change the question or custom it. For example, here I want to insert a new row, for example tax, and I just copy the tax and I change the question, for example name here, and refresh the page and it will show like this in the form. Or you can change it into date, for example, and don't forget to change the text to date like this, and it will change in the form so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Also, you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so the row will disappear instantly. And go to setting to change the background color of your form. You can pick any color that you want, so it will change like this. Also, I want to give an example to give a style for the title. I use mark behavior here. You can just follow the step if you want it to. For example, scroll amount here I use 25, or you can choose your own. And don't forget to close the code like /mark. Go to your form, and now the title is moving. Thank you.